This question is October 2018 and 13 variant question number 7. The first part, take left hand side, prove right hand side, or take right hand side, take left hand side. So you can take, I take left hand side. And this kind of concept, whenever comes, like a 3 by 5 plus 7 over 4 example I give you. So when there's nothing common between 5 and 4, like I can't divide on one common table. Suppose I can't divide. Then what is LCM? LCM will be the product of 5 and 4. And then what happens? This 4 multiplies there, this 5 multiplies there. This is the same approach I will apply here, because one minus cos and one plus cos, nothing common between them. So let's see how we can deal this concept. So I am writing 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta, and this will multiply there and this will multiply there. So I hope so all of you understanding what is going on. I given one example. Okay, so 1 plus cos theta multiply by tan theta minus 1. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, I believe the point is very clear. So this is a just idea which I explained to you. Now student, what to do? All of you familiar what is going on down? You know basic criteria. What? Whenever a plus b, I repeat again to you, whenever sorry, whenever a plus b and a minus b multiply. So there are two techniques. Okay, technique number 1 is multiply them, simply multiply them. Technique number 2, if first term match, second term match, and signs are opposite. So I can say what square of a minus square of b. This rule is applying here in denominator. See, first term match, second term match, and signs are opposite. So I can say here first term square minus second term square. All right, this point is very clear. Upper part, I just multiply them. Hold on, tan times to 1 is giving you tan theta. Tan times to cos, we give you negative tan theta into cos theta. Okay, 1 times to 1 give us 1, and 1 time to cos giving you cos. Same approach, I will do the other one. Okay, 1 time to tan will give us 10. 1 time to 1 give you 1. Cos time to tan is a cos and tan. You can write in order different over, even no issue at all. Okay, and cos into 1 give you minus cos. And wait a minute, this is giving you minus cos. So I'm writing here minus cos. Okay, so minus cos even. So I think this part is very, very clear. Now I can see the cancellation process. This part is fully matched, so they will cancel out. And this minus and this plus you can cancel as well, alhamdulillah. So I think so. And after this, I will go tan plus tan give us 2 tan. 2 tan theta. Okay. And minus cos give us minus 2 cos theta. And I believe understanding up till now, and down 1 minus cos square theta. And all of you know 1 minus cos is equal to sine square theta. And check it here, we are close to answer. Just take 2 common from the numerator. So if I take 2 common from the numerator, I get my target easily, alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. So this achieved, and this is called right hand side. So first part is clear. Let's go part number 2. Part number 2 is very clear. Look at here, students. He is saying solve this equation. Now check it. You can say the first part says that this part equals to this part. Very clear approach. Is this matches or not matches? It matches. So can I remove the left hand side and copy the whole thing here? Yes, I can do it. So let's start, because I proved that first connection that this is equal to that one. So it means that this is, I'm going to copy it here. So let's start. So now I'm going to do what question was given by him is tan theta plus 1, tan theta plus 1, and tan theta minus 1. Okay, and divided by what? 1 plus cos and 1 minus cos. Okay, is equal to 0. This is my question. I will say by part 1. I will say by part 1. So this whole thing, I will remove it and copy this part here. Sorry. So look at here, the way how I will do this question. So this is a clear. Okay, there sine square theta is equals to 0. And sine square into 0 will become 0. Okay, this is a clear approach. And tan theta minus cos theta, and look at here, students, this equal to 2, we have even. And this 2 will go under 0 and will also become finish. So it means this both values will cancel, and I hope so got the idea. So ultimately, I get this part is equal to 0. Now, how to deal with this? What is a tan? The tan value is sine theta by cos theta. And this cos I bring on the other side, like this. Cross multiply, I will get sine theta is equals to cos time to cos, give you cos square theta. Now, what is the cos square theta value, students? All of you know 1 minus sine square theta. Bring both value left side. What happens then? I get sine square theta plus sine theta and minus 1 equal to 0. And now I'm going to complete it. So here we have our two choices. Okay, I think so 1 into 1 is 1, and or I think I can apply quadratic formula. So I can assume let sine theta is equal to k, and k to power 2 plus k minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, after that apply quadratic formula, and minus b plus and minus b square minus 4a and c by 2a. And I get two answers. Okay, let me check it. What answers come from here? Inside is the root 5. So minus 1 plus root 5 and divided by 2. And I got a first answer 0.618. Second answer, I get what? Negative 1, negative root 5 and divided by 2. And I get negative 1.618. But this ignore. You know why this ignore? I tell you one thing. Because you know it very well. Ignore it. Ignore it. Because I discuss in detail, highest value of cos theta or sine theta is plus 1. And lowest is minus 1. In the middle, it is possible. But above or below, not possible. Short story, the values will come from 1 and minus 1. In the middle is okay, but after 1 not possible, before minus 1 even not possible. So that is why is this value, is this one lies here, so no solution. Even you take a sine, for example, if I keep this value here, look, I'm going to show you. So sine theta is equal to 0.618. Second option, sine theta is equals to negative 1.618. If you take a sine inverse of this answer, it will give you no solution or give you math error. So I will find this answer only, and for your knowledge, sine is positive in first quadrant and second quadrant. But look at here, what he's saying, first quadrant, 0 to 90 degree. So it means this, I will go to find only one solution, and that is sine theta is equal to sine inverse of 0.618. And when I take sine inverse 0.618, it is giving me 38.17. It means 2 degree. And this is my final answer. I hope so. The concept is